Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel with another day, another video guys. In this video I'm going to tell you guys how to get the threshold of Google. Guys, I post quality content on daily basis on this channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video if this video works with you. So guys, let's move toward the method without wasting further time. As you guys know, there are millions of videos on the internet and they are telling how to earn money online or how to get the threshold, but none of them are working. But guys, I will show you live proof that this trick is working. I am getting threshold from it, as you guys can see results here. So guys, let's move toward the method. I will also share some precautions to protect your account from being suspended. So guys, make sure that you watch full video, try not to skip the video. So guys, here's 19 click, 810 impression, cost $12, average CPC 0.65. I will also share the methods as I tell you before to protect your account. As you guys can see here, cost 12. I'm basically promoting hosting here. As you guys can see, best WordPress hosting. I promote this, but now I pause it. So guys, the first thing you guys need to do is to go to Google. Now guys, you need to type Google ads in your search bar. Oh sorry, Google ads. Okay guys, here's the website, ads.google, online advertisement. Okay guys, here we go. You need to click on start now to sign up to this. I already signed up on this, so I will sign in. Here you guys can see I'm signing in my Google account now. Now the main thing start. As you guys can see here are my accounts. You can create a sub account in one account. Means to say that you can create thousands and hundreds of account in one account, in one Gmail account. Now I need to click on new account because I already signed up on it. If you did not sign up on it, you need to click on sign up, start now button. After start now button, you need to log into your Google account. After you log into your Google account, this thing will appear in front of you guys. Now no need to click on next, click on switch to expert mode. When you click on switch to expert mode, wait for a few times. I try to explain it as fast as possible, but guys, you know that internet is a little bit slow, so sorry for that. Try to manage. Now you need to click on create an account without a campaign. Now you need to select Brazil here. Here is the Brazilian currency. You need to select where it is, Brazilian real. Now click on submit. After you click on submit, here's congratulations, you're all done. Click on explore your account, and here we go. Our account has been created successfully. Now the main thing starts from here. Now you need to go to your billing summary here, click on tools and setting guys, billing summary. Now when billing summary will be open, you need to enter text information here. I already entered in my previous ad account, so it's automatically come from there. You can get this CNPJ from this website, the onegenerator.com guys. I will show you with zoom. Oh, the one generator, it's its name is the one generator. You can also search it on Google. Now click on CNPG SSN. As you guys can see, here it's the CNPG generator. Click on generate, it will generate you. Now you need to enter it here. I say you guys that I already created many accounts, so it will automatically add mine here. But yours is empty here. You need to enter that. If it gives error, then try to generate. Oh wait, guys. Try to generate the new one, copy and paste it here. Now, don't touch anything here. Now you need to enter payment information here. Select payment. It shows me my previous bins which I add here. Now you need to click on add a new credit card. Now here we go with the bin. Here's the bin. You need to copy it. Guys, here it is. You can write it on your screen. Here's your bin. Now you need to go on Nemso checker. Here it is. Nemso generator. Nemso/gen.com. I will also show you in Notepad. Nemsogenerator.com. Now need to Control V paste. Oh sorry. Now you need to paste your bin here. Here's our bin. Paste it here. Random 10. Okay, it will give us few credits cards. Now you need to check how many of them are online from this website, mrchecker.net /ccn2. This is a live checker. Here is the website. Note it, write it somewhere, mrchecker.net /ccn2. Now you need to paste. Oh sorry guys. You need to copy these and paste these here. Click on start now. When you click on start now, wait for a while and it will show you live cards and dead cards also. Here's our live card. Here we go. Here's two live card. You need to click paste it here. Oh sorry guys, I pasted wrong thing. You need to pick any one right card. Now copy it, paste it here. Number, month 11 25 and 588. Now click on submit. When you click on submit, you need to wait for a while. As you guys can see, it says that your billing information is added successfully, and here is our threshold guys. Boom guys. This trick is 100% working guys. Now I will also tell you how you can protect your account. Okay guys, now let's move toward how can you protect your account and how can you create a new campaign on it. Guys, try to open it after 2 to 3 days, or at least give it 24 hours, then put a campaign on it. Now new campaign, whatever you want to promote, select here. You want to give traffic to your website traffic, search display, whatever you want. But guys, try to wait at least 24 hours, otherwise your account will be suspended. So guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like the video. I will also show you how you can promote ads on Google Ads. So guys, see you in the next video.